You've been lied to. The pain you feel, the exhaustion, that voice telling you to stop. None of it means you're done. It means you're at 40%. David Goggins built an unstoppable mind by living in the other 60%, the part you've never touched. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step, so you can awaken the part of you that refuses to quit, no matter what. David Goggins, a relentless Navy SEAL, ultra-marathoner, world record pull-up holder, and best-selling author of Can't Hurt Me and Never Finished, is a living testament to what the human spirit can endure and overcome. From surviving a traumatic childhood, battling obesity, and struggling academically, to joining the military, redefining mental toughness, and inspiring millions, he embodies the raw, unforgiving path to greatness. He teaches that motivation is temporary, comfort is the enemy of progress, and the only way forward is through suffering. Today, you're not just learning lessons, you're getting 10 practical steps to rewire your mind, push past your 40%, and recalibrate your limits. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable mindset blueprint based on Goggins' proven strategies to live harder, get stronger, and stay relentless. And trust me, each of these steps is something you can start today. Let's get after it. Step 1. Accountability mirror. The core of Goggins' transformation begins with brutal self-confrontation. Goggins faced himself in the mirror daily, writing down his truths, weaknesses, fears, goals, until he stopped lying and started grinding. Practical. Every morning and night, stand in front of a mirror. Stick notes with your deepest weaknesses. I'm overweight because I make excuses. I fear failure from past rejections, or I'm lazy in my career. Stare them down, then write actionable fixes next to each, like run 5 miles today, no negotiations, or apply to 3 jobs despite the doubt. Do this for 30 days straight. Goggins used this to shed 109 pounds in 3 months, transforming from a victim to a warrior. This step isn't easy, but skipping it keeps you at 40%. Step 2. The 40% rule. Goggins' famous rule: when your mind screams stop, you're only at 40% capacity. During SEAL Hell Week with pneumonia, he pushed 60% more, overriding his brain's governor. Practical. In workouts, when exhaustion hits, count to 10 and add 20% more reps or time. Studying? Extend sessions by 30 minutes past burnout. Track breakthroughs in a log. Goggins set the pull-up record this way, doing 4,030 in 17 hours. This rule turned him from failure to icon. Imagine what it'll do for you. But beware, the real battle starts at 40%. Push through and limits dissolve. That voice saying enough is a liar. You're only getting warmed up. Step 3. Build the calloused mind. Goggins' mind is calloused from repeated exposure to hardship. He visualizes races in detail, pre-living the pain. Practical. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to visualization. Close your eyes, see yourself crushing a goal, feel the burn, hear the doubts, then overcome. Pair with repetition. Do the same tough routine daily like early runs. Track progress. Rate your mental toughness weekly on a 1 to 10 scale. Tired of breaking under pressure? Callousing changes that. Keep watching for more. Step 4. The cookie jar. When doubt creeps in, Goggins pulls from his cookie jar, a mental collection of past victories. After failing SEAL qualifications twice, he dipped into memories of overcoming childhood abuse to fuel his 3rd attempt. Practical. Create your own cookie jar. List 10-20 wins, big or small, finishing a tough project, surviving a breakup, hitting a PR. Keep it on your phone. In low moments, like midway through a grueling task, pull one out and remind yourself, I beat that, I can beat this. Make it a habit. Review your jar weekly, adding new cookies. What if your cookie jar is empty? No excuses. Start filling it today with small wins. But stay tuned. The next step flips weakness into power. Step 5. Taking souls. Goggins' savage tactic, taking souls, means performing so dominantly that others quit or respect you. In races, he'd surge ahead early, breaking competitors' spirits. Practical. Identify a doubter, maybe a boss, rival, or inner critic. Then, outperform them silently. If someone's ahead at work, work 20% harder without bragging. Track your soul takes in a log. Don't seek revenge, seek supremacy. Start today, pick one area, and take a soul. Step 6. Embrace the suck. Goggins preaches that comfort is the enemy of progress. He once ran the Badwater 135, a 135-mile race through Death Valley, with kidneys failing and feet fractured. Why? To embrace the suck. Practical. Intentionally do one thing every day that sucks. If you hate cold showers, start your morning with a 5-minute ice bath. Despise running? Lace up and hit the pavement for 30 minutes, rain or shine. Track it in a journal. What sucked? How did you feel after? Over time, this calluses your mind, as Goggins puts it, building layers of resilience like calluses on your hands from hard labor. Ever wonder why most people plateau? They avoid the suck. But if you master this step, you'll outlast 99% of quitters. If you're fired up and ready to push beyond your limits, hit that like button and subscribe now so you never miss your next mindset upgrade. Step 7. Implement 1-second decisions. In his book, Never Finished, Goggins says that the 1-second decision is choosing to fight back in a split second after a setback. After heart surgery sidelined him, he decided in 1 second to rebuild stronger. Practical. When failure hits, like missing a deadline, pause for 1 second, then decide, I'm getting up. In that second of hesitation, commit. This eradicates indecision, building momentum. Use this to keep pushing. Master this, and you'll never stay down. Step 8. Accept your past. Own your present. Goggins says the only way to heal trauma is to revisit it, write it down, accept it, and move forward. Practical. Write a letter to your younger self, acknowledging a painful chapter and how far you've come. Then read it when doubt hits. You can't become harder if you're dragging old pain. It's time to make peace and move forward. Step 9. Eliminate excuses with radical accountability. Goggins owns everything, no blame. Overweight? His fault. Failed? His choices. Practical. Ban excuse words like but or can't. When slipping, say aloud, I chose this. I fix it. Have an accountability partner. Tell a friend your goals. Report daily. In books, he used the mirror for this. Track excuses avoided. Goggins survived abuse by owning his response. This step erases victim mentality, forging ownership. Step 10. Build a savage routine. Goggins Day. 4 a.m. runs no matter what. Non-negotiable, no motivation needed. Practical. Craft a non-negotiable routine. Wake at 5 a.m., workout, read. Use habit stacking. Tie new habits to old ones. Stretch, warm up, then grind. Track streaks. Motivation fades, routine endures. So let's recap your 10-step Goggins mindset blueprint. 1. Hold yourself accountable with the accountability mirror. 2. Push past your limits with the 40% rule. 3. Build mental resilience with the calloused mind. 4. Reach into triumph with the cookie jar. 5. Outperform expectations with taking souls. 6. Do the hard things and embrace the suck. 7. Decide fast by making 1-second decisions. 8. Heal and move on by accepting yourself. 9. Eliminate excuses with radical accountability. 10. Build a savage routine. Together, these aren't just steps, they form your arsenal. Mix brutal honesty with relentless effort, and you start walking in Goggins' arena. Remember what Goggins says, motivation is crap. Motivation comes and goes. When you're driven, whatever's in front of you will get destroyed. Don't just close this video and go back to the same habits. Choose one step, just one, from today's blueprint and start it now. Then drop it in the comments so you're accountable. Hit like if you're ready to destroy your limits. Subscribe so we build this warrior mindset together, and share this with the one person you know needs to hear it. The clock's ticking, Stay hard.